The sunbeams dance across a kaleidoscope of colors, illuminating the underwater world in a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. Each ray of sunlight reveals the intricate beauty of the coral reef, a vibrant tapestry of life that thrives beneath the waves. Fish, adorned in shimmering scales, dart in and out of coral formations, their movements creating a symphony of motion and color. These schools of fish are like living jewels, each one contributing to the dazzling display of biodiversity that makes coral reefs so unique. This is the world of the Hawksbill turtle, a creature of remarkable beauty and grace. With its distinctive shell and gentle demeanor, the Hawksbill turtle glides effortlessly through the water, a silent guardian of the reef. Its presence is a testament to the delicate balance of life that exists in these underwater ecosystems. Sadly, it is a world under threat. Climate change, pollution and overfishing are taking a devastating toll on coral reefs, causing widespread bleaching and damage. The once vibrant colors of the reef are fading, and the intricate structures that provide shelter and sustenance for countless marine species are crumbling. Hawksbill turtles are critically endangered, their very existence hanging in the balance. The threats they face are numerous, from habitat destruction to entanglement in fishing nets. Each day their numbers dwindle, and the loss of these magnificent creatures would be a tragedy for the entire marine ecosystem. These ancient mariners are the custodians of coral reefs, ecosystems of extraordinary biodiversity and importance. The health of the reef is intricately linked to the survival of the hawksbill turtle and vice versa. Without these turtles, the delicate balance of the reef would be disrupted, leading to a cascade of negative effects on the entire marine environment. Their survival is intricately linked to the health of these underwater cities. The hawksbill turtle plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the reef by controlling the population of sponges, which compete with corals for space. By keeping the sponge population in check, hawksbill turtles help to ensure that corals can thrive, providing habitat for countless other marine species. We must act now to protect them and ensure that future generations can marvel at their splendor. Conservation efforts are underway around the world, with dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to protect coral reefs and the species that depend on them. From reducing carbon emissions to implementing sustainable fishing practices, there are many ways we can help to safeguard these precious ecosystems. The time to act is now. The future of coral reefs and the hawksbill turtles that call them home depends on our actions today. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and making sustainable choices, we can help to ensure that these underwater jewels continue to shine for generations to come. The hawksbill turtle is easily distinguished from its sea turtle relatives. With its slender, elongated body and sharp, beak-like mouth, it stands out in the underwater world. These turtles are often seen gracefully gliding through the warm tropical waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Its most striking feature is its shell, a masterpiece of nature's artistry. The shell is not just a protective armor but a canvas painted with intricate patterns and vibrant colors. A tapestry of amber, brown, and black, each scute or plate is unique. The colors and patterns are so distinct that they can be used to identify individual turtles, much like a human fingerprint. Like fingerprints, no two shells are the same. This uniqueness has made the hawksbill shell highly prized, leading to its exploitation. This beauty, however, has come at a terrible cost. The demand for their shells has led to overhunting, pushing the species to the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts are now critical to their survival. The hawksbill's sharp, beak-like mouth gives it its name. This unique adaptation allows it to reach into crevices and extract its favorite food. This adaptation is perfectly suited to its diet. The hawksbill turtle primarily feeds on sponges, which are abundant in coral reefs. Hawksbills are specialists, feeding primarily on sponges. Their diet helps control sponge populations, which in turn allows coral to thrive. This selective feeding plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the reef. By keeping sponge populations in check, hawksbill turtles help ensure the health and diversity of coral reef ecosystems. Their presence is a testament to the intricate interdependence of marine life. Hawksbill turtles also play a vital role in the life cycle of the ocean. Females return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, ensuring the continuation of their species. The hatchlings face numerous challenges as they make their way to the sea, but those that survive grow into the next generation of these remarkable creatures. Protecting the hawksbill turtle is not just about saving a single species, it's about preserving the health of our oceans. Each turtle is a guardian of the reef, a symbol of the beauty and fragility of marine ecosystems. By safeguarding their future, we ensure the continued vibrancy of the underwater world for generations to come. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea. They are teeming with life, a riot of colors and textures. Fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and countless other creatures find food and shelter within these underwater gardens. The hawksbill turtle is an integral part of this delicate ecosystem. By feeding on sponges, hawksbills prevent these organisms from outcompeting corals. This allows the coral to thrive and provide the foundation for this incredible biodiversity. Their presence is a vital indicator of a healthy reef. Coral reefs are facing unprecedented challenges. These vibrant underwater cities teeming with life are now under siege from multiple fronts. Once thriving habitats, they are now struggling to survive in a rapidly changing world. Pollution, climate change, and destructive fishing practices are taking a heavy toll. The oceans, once a sanctuary for countless species, are now becoming increasingly hostile environments. Plastic waste, chemical runoff, and oil spills are just a few of the pollutants that are poisoning these delicate ecosystems. As the oceans warm and become more acidic, coral bleaching events are becoming more frequent and severe. These events occur when corals, stressed by changes in temperature or water quality, expel the symbiotic algae that give them their color and energy. Without these algae, the corals turn white, and if the stress continues, they can die. This has a devastating impact on the entire reef ecosystem, including hawksbill turtles. These ancient mariners rely on healthy reefs for food and shelter. As the reefs decline, so too do the populations of these and many other marine species. The loss of coral reefs has far-reaching consequences not just for marine life but for humans too. Coastal communities that depend on reefs for their livelihoods are facing economic hardships. Fishermen are finding it harder to catch fish, and tourism industries are suffering as the once beautiful reefs lose their allure. Reefs provide food, protect coastlines from erosion, and support livelihoods through tourism and fishing. They act as natural barriers, absorbing the energy of waves and storms, thereby protecting coastal areas from flooding and erosion. The biodiversity of coral reefs also supports a wide range of marine life, which in turn supports human communities. Their decline is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. The health of coral reefs is a barometer for the health of the oceans, and by extension, the health of the entire planet. Protecting these vital ecosystems is not just about saving beautiful underwater landscapes, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The shadow of extinction. Hawksbill turtles face a multitude of threats, many of them driven by human activities. They are often accidentally caught as bycatch in fishing gear. Their beautiful shells, tragically, are still sought after for the tortoiseshell trade despite international bans. Plastic pollution is another growing concern. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a staple in their diet. Ingesting plastic can block their digestive systems, leading to starvation.
The situation for hawksbill turtles is dire, says Dr. Sarah Jones, a marine biologist studying these creatures for over 2 decades. Their populations have plummeted in recent decades, and we are running out of time to save them. We need to address the root causes of their decline, from climate change to habitat destruction to illegal wildlife trade. It requires a global effort and a change in our relationship with the ocean.
Female hawksbills face a perilous journey when they come ashore to nest. Under the cover of darkness, they haul themselves onto beaches, often the same ones where they hatched years before. They dig nests in the sand and lay their precious eggs, up to 200 at a time. The hatchlings face a dangerous dash to the sea. Predators, both on land and in the water, await them. Only a tiny fraction will survive to adulthood.
Despite the challenges, there is hope for hawksbill turtles. Conservation organizations around the world are working tirelessly to protect them. From establishing marine protected areas to reducing bycatch to raising awareness about the plight of these creatures, every effort counts.
Community-based conservation projects are proving particularly effective. By engaging local communities in conservation efforts, we can create a sense of ownership and ensure the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures.
The fate of the Hawksbill turtle, and indeed all marine life, rests in our hands. We can all play a part in their conservation, supporting sustainable seafood choices, reducing our plastic consumption, and being responsible tourists are just a few ways to make a difference.
By raising awareness about the plight of hawksbill turtles and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these jewels of the reef continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Their future is our future.